And there's three models, the 310X, 310LX, S, Luxury Sport, and the 310LX Luxury. It's the first thing I want to mention. Concept here was best handling plus most powerful plus newest innovative technologies. So we've got the handling that you're familiar with. We've got the most powerful engine that you're used to with 310 horsepower. Now we've got some new technologies. Proven hull design. So all three of these use the same lower hull from basically the bond line down as the prior Ultras. So 22.5 degree deep V hull, the Quattro KSD splash deflector, and the sponsons that assist in straight line stability and in cornering. Sleek upper deck styling, so obviously we have new styling, everything from the bond line up. Slimmer seat tank juncture or hull juncture, so here in the front it's about 80 millimeters slimmer, and that facilitates standing up. So it makes it easier for you to stand up when your feet are closer together. New ergonomics. So the handlebar position relative to the deck is moved down a little bit. So the grip position is 10 millimeters lower. The new deck is flatter, and the footwells are 35 millimeters lower for more leg room. And this new seat has much deeper hip support. Because these seats adjust, right? So you got three different mounting points for the seat to go onto the seat post. This seat is no longer waterproof. It's no longer sealing to the upper deck. So that's why you have this panel in here now to allow you to adjust the seat and still keep water out of the engine compartment. So easy access storage. So while you're here, make sure that you test out the easy opening and that you check out some of the compartments that we have inside. So you have your cell phone compartment with USB outlet. You have the storage space in front. Integrated cup holders, we talked about this. They're rather deep. Easy access cleats. So I would just point these out that on this splash deflector, you've got a little hook area that's built in there. It's very nicely concealed, and it's easy to get to with a carabiner or a rope. And then my last point is there at the back, Chris, the reboarding step. So that step, you'll notice, has a different bend in it, and it's a little bit deeper to accommodate the Ultra deck, the rear deck. Supercharged and intercooled engine, produces 310 PS. There's no wake mode, there's cruise control, there's Kawasaki smart steering, and there's a slow key in case you want to loan this to one of your buddies.
For new ski, finally we have the electric control reverse system called KSRD, Kawasaki Smart Reverse and Deceleration. So, which is unique about those systems that we only done on the one side hand. So other manufacturers the two hand. So some people doesn't know how to use it. People get confused. We are very simple, straightforward. So the soon start engine, start from neutral, and then you squeeze it going forward, and you push some lever, push this way, which is forward. This is makes the ski going in reverse. So very, very simple. Everything straightforward. Biggest benefit is going to the dog, coming to the dog, your hand still on the bar, or coming to the trailer, park on the trailer on the launching ramp. You coming in, used to be idle speed, like minimum slow ski, like 160 STX, still go 3 miles per hour. Now you can go like really almost stall, like 1 mph coming in, and it's really smooth park on the trailer. Next thing gonna be, you see it, this is the big 7-inch TFT Instrumentation. So this is have the basically all you needed, like speedo, tag, trim level, time, fuel, distance, and also now we have the compass integrated. And also we can also have the 3 different meter design. So we have analog, white, digital, black and white. This is a GPS-based speedometer. So now benefit is we don't have those little wheel on the light plate anymore. So we never have the like issue the speed sensor will malfunction, something like this. New power mode. So we have 4 choice of the power mode here. So ignition off default is, you can see from here, mid power. So mid power is still you can reach top speed 65 miles per hour, but get there smooth and easy to ride. And then you want to be more harder acceleration. You can have the FPO, which is the full power, so the throttle is swing, open all the way open. So this is the fast acceleration. But swing you get a 65 mph, it's gonna be governed to the 65 for the according Coast Guard limit. Cruise control is the same as previous 310 anyway. So now cruise control no wake mode, meaning you can set it no wake mode. So the previous Authorized only set for the only one speed, but that have the you can actually increase the speed from the door up and down a little bit. But those are really handy. So sometimes like either Florida, some big channel, but still low speed no wake, you may want to go 6 miles per hour. Like new trim control. So trim get a lot more faster now. So which is you kind of doing like a buoy calls and all that stuff. Dive in the corner, you dump the trim really quick, nose down, and then cut the corner really quick as well. And then also that have the function of the preset for the trim, so that you can do like a default point you want to be a little bit up high, you can also preset as well. Launch control. So full power mode, and you can choose select the launch control to the every time you're on a slow speed, probably I would say 11 mph below, trim is automatically going down. So you punch the throttle, you don't want to hop, so they use that function to the kind of always come out of the launch is really straight, doesn't purpose, and then swing catch on the speed, and then trim nice and level, and then get up on the top speed. So now we have a rear view camera, so that which is great for the towing. So you're gonna be cover the like when the towing, cover the dead spot, because right behind you, the kind of hard to see it anyway. So now you have a rear view mirror and a camera to take a look at in the back. So which is pretty nice, and then nobody has it.
Up front here, as you can see, we got the LED front access lights. It's going to give us a unique look out on the water. I mean, it's going to set us out. It'll be a showpiece. They'll know it's a Kawasaki coming every time. Nobody else is doing that I know of.
Yeah, so far right now, nobody.
That's exclusive.
So this is
industry first. We've got the meter visor up here. That's going to help deflect wind, spray, and all of that stuff. Only available on the LX model itself. Now we get to the jet sound system. This will be the best sound system we've ever had on a watercraft by far. The jet sound system, 200 watts, Bluetooth, or directly through the USB port. People that have rode this out on the water, 60 miles an hour, and you can hear the stereo. So that's pretty impressive for a 60 mile an hour vehicle. In the rear here, we've got this multifunction cargo rack. Aluminum bars here are adjustable for height. As you can see, the one up here we've got down low, so you can get into your cooler very easily. It's facilitated for roto packs, fishing pole holders on it. Over there you can see how big that Ultra Deck is. There's an example of the Ultra Deck. That one actually has the tie-down holders on it. As you can see, this is the rail system that we have in here. One of the things that we've got here is the stern bag. Give added storage, bolts down to here, and then it's got straps that go up into there. And we've got a little small cooler, insulated cooler that goes in the stern bag. Here is the easy access storage bag. As you can see, I mean, it's custom built to fit inside in here. And then here's the waterproof dry bag. Fits right up in there. But we have already got the deal with ORCA, and they're going to be a lime green cooler, and we'll actually have another smaller cooler. All of these big coolers like this, they sell this bracket here. It fits in here like this. You can either use turnbuckles to hold the thing down where it's never coming off, and you could use that. That's the way I'd probably do it if I didn't have a cargo rack. Otherwise, you just take put some tie downs over the top.